everybody, it's Bobby B here, coming at you with another great video. In today's video, we're going to show you how to replace the radiator fan clutch. We're going to go step by step on the process to make it a lot easier for you. And if you would, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. I surely appreciate it. All right, let's get into it.
All right, you want to get a 3/8 ratchet down there on your tensioner pulley. You're also wanting to get a big pipe wrench and a hammer or a sledgehammer. You want to get the pipe wrench and put it over the fan clutch assembly there. Once you get it on there, you want to put tension on the serpentine belt with your ratchet, and then with your hammer, you want to hit the pipe wrench. By doing this, it's going to loosen up your fan clutch for you, and it's going to come off a lot easier now. Then remove the 10mm bolt holding on the fan shroud. It's just one. Here is a better angle of the pipe wrench actually on the fan clutch here. You can see that it's able to turn it down there.
Hey everybody, it's Bobby B here again. And thanks for watching this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. I would surely appreciate it.
Once you get it loose enough, you can actually twist it off with your hands. It does take a little bit of practice and skill because it is a tight area, but it will unscrew. Once it gets far enough off the threads, you want to get both of your hands down there, one holding the fan, the other one untwisting it. Once it comes off, you're going to grab your fan and the fan shroud cover, and then you're just going to pull it up. Fan's going to come out, and then you can pull out your fan shroud. Alright, now it's time to reinstall the fan clutch assembly and the fan shroud. Same way as before, you're going to barely put your fan shroud in there like this, and then you're going to feed in your fan clutch assembly. It's a lot harder to get it back on there than it was to take off. You just need to take your time, hold the fan, just twist the nut on there. It will eventually go. You want to be careful and do not cross thread. Feels like it's not going, just back off, take a deep breath, and you'll get through it.
Hey everybody, it's Bobby B here again, and thanks for watching this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. I would surely appreciate it.
As you can see, I got it on there. You can twist it with your hands to get it up there a little bit closer, as much as it will go. Here's another angle of when it got installed. This one is kind of using the pipe wrench to hold it and to get it on there. As you can see, the belt is off on this one, and I am just twisting the actual water pump, and it's just threading it on there for me. Once you got it as hand tight as possible, you want to get your 3/8 ratchet on there again and get your pipe wrench on there. And try to tighten it even farther with the pipe wrench on there. Congratulations, you now know how to remove the fan clutch assembly. Go ahead and give yourself a pat on the back. You deserve it.
Hey, if you enjoyed this video and you haven't already, then go ahead and like and subscribe. I'd surely appreciate it. All right, well, that wraps up everything on this one. Bobby B out till next time.